Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from HubSpot Marketing to your bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing Tools section. Select the option for Financial Reports. Choose the report that details your income. Review the transactions listed to ensure accuracy. Export the financial report as a CSV or Excel file. Open the file using a spreadsheet application. Locate the total income amount that needs to be transferred. Prepare to withdraw this total amount. Log in to your online banking platform. Select the option to make a transfer or withdrawal. Input the amount you wish to transfer from your HubSpot income. Confirm your bank account information. Double-check all details before proceeding. Submit the transfer request. Wait for the confirmation notification from your bank. Allow up to a few business days for the transaction to process. Keep a record of the transfer for your financial documentation. If needed, check with your bank for any fees related to the transfer. Revisit HubSpot to ensure that your reported income aligns with your bank statement. This completes the process for transferring income from HubSpot Marketing to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.